Hey, good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, February 10th. So do keep in mind the market is going to be closed on Monday. So we got a long weekend ahead. But I want to give you all a quick little midweek update here. So we're rocking and rolling so far this year. Have closed almost $40,000 of profits. And if we come on over here to Thinkorswim, all right, you can see just about 34,000. So the difference, in the two numbers there between the closed profits and what this account has grown this year is just a little bit of gains coming over from 2020, if that makes sense. So heading into the session here today, we're focusing on a few key setups here in the options room. So for Tesla, we do have a good looking daily squeeze. This could take some time to develop. And here's the thing. I think if you're going to try to pursue this daily squeeze, and you're building up positions inside the consolidation, you shouldn't be taking stops inside the consolidation either. I really think anything that happens inside these Bollinger Bands in a tight squeeze is really nothing but noise. So be patient with Tesla. And yesterday morning, we did start to build up a position here in Snow. So Snow has a good looking daily squeeze, bullish histogram, and we do have earnings right around the corner in a few weeks. So you got a good looking structure to the chart here with earnings around the corner that can be a good combo for the pre-earnings move. So we've got some positions in Snow. We are locked and loaded here in BLNK. Beautiful looking trend, a good looking daily squeeze, bullish histogram after yesterday's nice move, and you got high open short interest. So we're locked and loaded here in Blink. PLTR has been a fun one. So we started building a couple of positions in the squeeze back here in late January. Took some profits off the table on the first leg to the upside, and now I'm in a position here to take a little bit more off the table should we push into Friday's expiration. So earnings for PLTR are next Tuesday. So any push here into the end of the week, I think, is a good opportunity to lock up some gains and get out of the way before earnings. So those are a couple setups we're focusing on for NVDA. Finally got the move we've been looking for here. So just building these positions up inside the weekly squeeze, which technically hasn't even gotten going yet. Focusing on the 3-day squeeze, you sit through so much noise, being patient, holding on tight as long as the structure of the weekly squeeze doesn't change. And, you get paid once it finally makes a move like it did the other day here. So I did take my profits off the table for NVIDIA, which was a nice 12 or 13,000. Now I would love to get back in on a pullback to either the 8 EMA or somewhere towards that level. So keeping an eye on that. And then for Amazon here, which ain't doing much of anything, but that's okay for my put credit spreads. So I got short strikes down at 3,000 and at 3150, all of which are under that weekly 21 EMA. So therefore, as long as we maintain structure and we don't close under that rising weekly 21, I'll continue to hold on tight to Amazon and ultimately look to collect some premium as we get a little bit closer to that March monthly expiration. But that's what I'm holding on to right now. Some Snow, some Blink, Amazon, PLTR, and I will talk to y'all in the Friday update. Trade safe.